This is question 3 on the non-calculator paper. Read the question first. Really important. Helen carried out a survey to find out the fruit her friends like best. Here are her results. So these are all the fruits that different friends she asked told her that they like best. So apples, bananas, peaches, and so on. The first part says complete the table. So in that table you can see that there's a tally, there's a frequency, and there's the names of all the different fruits. So what I do is I go through each of them, mark off a tally, and then clock up or work out the frequency for each. So it's really important to do this in a systematic way. Apples, oranges, peaches, bananas, pineapple. Bananas, bananas, oranges, apples, peaches, bananas, oranges, pineapples, oranges, bananas, peaches, apples, bananas, apples, and one more banana. Okay, so there's my tallies. Now I just need to write down the frequencies, and the frequencies is a number, just basically adding up my tallies. So that's going to be 4, that's going to be 7, that's going to be 4, that's going to be 3, and that's 2. That's an easy 2 marks there. What I just need to make sure is that I've actually put them all in here. So in this whole block here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 times 5 is 20. So there are 20 bits of information there. So 20 friends she asked. If I add up these numbers in the frequency, they should add up to 20. So that's 11, 15, 18, 20. Yep, so I'm confident. I've just checked my answer and I'm okay to move on. The next part, part B, write down the number of Helen's friends who like bananas best. Again, really straightforward. You just need to pick up whatever number it is from your frequency table here that indicates how many of her friends like bananas, and the answer to that is 7. So far, an easy 2, 3 marks, right? 2 marks for the table, 1 mark for writing that down. Okay, this is the last part of the question. On the grid, draw a suitable chart to show Helen's result. So they want you to draw a suitable chart or diagram of some sort to show Helen's results. And I think a really straightforward way of doing this would be a bar chart of some sort. That's what I would choose for this, and I think that's maybe the easiest thing to go about doing. Make sure you get your ruler, use a pencil. I'm going to make sure I mark out the space and try to be as accurate as possible. I'm going to try to put this information here from the table into my chart. Make sure you label things up. So we're going to have the frequency here. And down here we'll have the fruits. Now we have apples, bananas, peaches, oranges, peaches, and pineapples. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just going to use 2 squares for each bar. So that's the first bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You could have spread it out more if you want. And these are going to be the frequency values that I put in. I'm just going to put in little markers to indicate all of them. Now I need to go up to 7 because that's the biggest number in my frequencies. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You could go up to 8 if you want, but this is okay, this is fine, and I'm going to put 0 in as well. The first one is apples, then bananas, oranges, peaches, and pineapples. Okay, so apples go up to 4. Bananas go all the way up to 7. And those are the next 2 there. Complete that bar. Oranges goes to 4. Peaches 3. And pineapple has a frequency of 2. So there is my bar chart, and this is okay. This is what they ideally want, and I've given them all the information that they'd like. No need to color them in. You don't need to shade it in or do anything like that. This is enough, and this will get you full marks.